Fitfam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and another step workout. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles and the general body for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that every time I upload a new video you receive notifications. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. If you don't have a stepper yet, I highly recommend that you do get one because I believe it's one of those good home gym equipment. I did get mine off Amazon, and if you like, I will leave the links in the description box below. Just continue marching. Make sure you are hydrated for this workout and feeling good about yourself. Pulling your arms towards the spine so that we engage them throughout the entire workout. Next, we shall move on to the basic step. Up and down, trying to alternate the legs that come up on the step. Give me 45 minutes of this. Just go up and down, up and down. Feeling your heart rate going up, feeling your whole body getting heated up, warming up. Trying to alternate your leg every time you come up and down, and we shall move on to side leg swings and back. Swing to the side and back. 45 seconds of this and back. Swing to the side and back. Swing to the side and back. Keep breathing. Swing to the side and back. Freestyle, nothing complicated really. And back, just give me one more. Swing to the side and back, and move on to the basic step one more time, trying to alternate your leg whenever you can. I mean the leg that is coming up on the stepper. Just keep going. This is really supposed to be fun cardio, which we shall add into some strength training as well. Just freestyle, feeling good about yourself. We just want to burn off those extra calories, you know. So just keep going. So next you're going to be giving me some high knees, and you will begin with 1, 2, 3, 4 and down. 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 Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4 and down. Nothing complicated really. 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just give me one more per leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other leg. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And back to the basic step. Keep breathing. Pull your abs towards the spine. Breathing, having fun really, trying to alternate that other leg. So next you're going to be giving me a side leg lift. Beginning with now, you will come up, 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 and down. Up, up, and down. Up, up, and down. Up, up, and down. Keep going. Up, up, and down. Up, up, and down. Up, up, down. Keep moving. Up towards the spine. Give me one more. Up, up, and down. And that basic step. Feeling good about yourself? I'm already sweating, guys. I don't know about you, but just let me know how you are feeling in the comment section below. And next we shall move on to alternating toe touches. So I'll just have to change this and we shall begin. You want to begin alternating, touching your stepper and alternating with different arms. Give me 45 seconds of this, guys. We feeling those legs working, feeling them on fire. Keep going, don't stop, don't give up. If you want, you can even increase the speed and do it faster. Just continue giving me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get back into that basic step. Feeling good about yourself, sweating it out, making all the fat cry away, guys. Keep going, keep moving, you're doing great. And next we are going to get into the squat. So you want to squat, get up, squat, get up, squat, and up. 30 seconds of this. Going. Just give me 2 more and more and back to that basic steps. Feeling good about yourself, feeling all the fat getting burnt down. And we shall be moving on to some mountain climbers, guys. So just catch your breath, prepare yourself, and we shall be beginning in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So you want to get into position. I'll put it right there so you see me clearly, and you want to begin 30 seconds of the mountain climbers, pulling your abs towards the spine, trying to keep your back straight, not act downwards or upwards. Just keep going, guys. You're doing amazing. Keep going. You're doing great. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And get up, guys. And we shall be coming back again to that basic step. Cooling down, slowing down, bringing down your heart rate, and trying to prepare for our final stretching. Just catch your breath. You've done so amazing, and thank you for getting this far with me. And we are going to get into the final stretching, guys. Just get onto your stepper and we shall begin with the knee stretch with 30 seconds per leg. Just bring your knee up and try to pull it towards your body with your hands, and we shall be holding it right there. If you like, you can do some ankle rotations while at it, feeling that good stretch in your quads, in your glutes, and keep holding it right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other leg. Bring it towards the body, pulling your arms towards the spine and squeezing your leg with your arms, and not forgetting some ankle rotations if you feel like it. And you want to keep holding it right there, feeling good about yourself. And we want to keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next you want to stretch your quadricep muscles. Just bring your leg backward and squeeze your foot towards your butt, and we shall be holding this for 20 seconds per leg. So just continue holding this right there, trying to pull your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing, feeling good about yourself, and we shall continue holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, and the other leg. We make sure you are not falling. Keep stable. Just continue stretching it right there, feeling good about yourself already. You've done a great job, and keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Next you want to raise your calves as high as you can, and we shall be holding this for 30 seconds, pulling your abs towards the spine, feeling that stretch in your chest as well. Keep holding this right there. If you feel the need to hold yourself somewhere, you can hold yourself on the wall. Otherwise, keep raising and holding. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and calm down. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. I'm really sweating and I feel very good after this workout. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me once again. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any question or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that you invite them to come over and we become workout buddies. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.